understanding the sweet world of dessert. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very sweet and delicious topic to discuss, the word dessert. We're going to dive into its meaning, its origins, and how you can use it in sentences. So, if you have a sweet tooth and a love for learning English, you're in the right place. Dessert refers to the sweet course that typically comes at the end of a meal. It can be anything from cakes, cookies, and pastries, to ice cream, fruit, or even cheese in some cultures. The key thing to remember is that dessert is associated with sweetness and is usually eaten after the main course. The word dessert comes from the French word desservir, which means to clear the table. This is because, traditionally, the table would be cleared of all other dishes before dessert was served. It's interesting to see how words evolve and take on new meanings over time, isn't it? 1. Expressing a desire for dessert. I can't wait for dessert. The chocolate cake looks delicious. 2. Talking about preferences. My favorite dessert is ice cream, especially during summer. 3. Discussing dessert options. What's for dessert today? I hope it's something fruity. 4. Giving compliments. The dessert was fantastic. Can I have the recipe? By using dessert in various sentences like these, you can communicate effectively about this sweet part of a meal. Many people often get confused between dessert and dessert. While dessert is the sweet course we've been talking about, a desert is a dry, barren area of land where little precipitation occurs, and consequently, living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. The key difference in pronunciation is that dessert has stress on the second syllable, dessert, while desert, when used as a noun referring to the barren land, has stress on the first syllable, dert. And that's a wrap on our delicious journey through the world of dessert. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a new language is like savoring a sweet dessert. It takes time, but it's oh so rewarding in the end. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty English lessons. See you next time.